In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Wayfair emails. If your inbox is getting crowded, this quick walkthrough will show you how to change your marketing preferences so you only get the messages you want. Start by opening Wayfair on your device. You can use a web browser on your computer or phone or the mobile app. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, if you're using a browser, that you're on Wayfair's official site. Next, sign into your account if you aren't already. Use the same account that receives the marketing emails. If you can't remember your password, use the standard account recovery option so you can continue. Once you're signed in on the website, move your mouse to the top right corner. Hover over the account area, then click My Account. On mobile, you may need to tap the account icon or open the menu to reach your account page. The goal is simply to get to your account dashboard where your personal settings live. Inside your account, look for Email Preferences or a link that says View and Update Email Subscription Settings. Different layouts might use slightly different wording, but it will be in the area where communication or notification settings are managed. From there, choose how you want to manage marketing emails. If you want to stop all promotional emails, select Unsubscribe from all. If you'd rather keep some messages, uncheck only the categories you no longer want, such as daily deals or seasonal promotions, while leaving the ones you still find helpful. Keep in mind that order-related or transactional messages like receipts or shipping updates will continue as needed for your purchases. Unsubscribing here controls promotional communications. When your choices are set, click Save Preferences. Look for a confirmation message on the page indicating your changes were saved. Some providers may also send a confirmation email about your updated subscriptions. You can refresh the page and revisit email preferences to confirm your selection stuck. If you use multiple Wayfair brands or regional sites, repeat the same changes there. That's it. Give the changes a little time to take effect. Marketing systems can take a day or two to fully update, so you might see a few messages slip through before everything quiets down. If you return later to fine-tune your choices, follow these same steps and adjust the categories anytime. Thanks for watching. By tailoring your email preferences, you keep important order information while clearing out the promotions you don't need, and your inbox stays organized.